Let me show you how you can cover up your lip filler bruises. You will need to use color corrector like these ones. Products used in this video is listed in the description box. Green corrector is to neutralize redness and orange corrector is to cancel dark circles, and finally yellow corrector was applied to cancel purple and blue tones. Now you can apply your pan stick foundation on the covered bruises. The bruises are no longer visible. Apply your foundation on all your lips. It's time to apply your lipstick as you normally do.
Oh my God!
I can't see the bruises. Can you?